Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this particular strategy you can use to capitalize in the crypto market, trading spot, and any other cryptocurrency. And this particular strategy is going to be you using an indicator called the MA, and I'm going to be showing you how to capitalize on this particular strategy. Okay, so in so many exchange, this particular MA has been placed automatically, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it. In case yours is not placed automatically, there are ways to use it. There are ways to get it. Okay, so right now, if you see right here, there's nothing like MA right now. So if I want to get MA, I just tap on this place. You see MA at the bottom. So you click on it right now, and the MA shows. That is the moving average. All right, if this is your first time with me on this channel, just know that you are watching from Trade with the Great YouTube channel. And in my channel, I document videos on crypto trading, forex trading, how to make money online, and more. Okay, if this is your thing on YouTube, do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post new content on crypto, forex, or how to make money online. And also don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section down below and ask your questions, share my videos as well, and let's dive into what we have today on how to use the indicator called the MA to make money on the crypto market, how to capitalize using this particular indicator. And if there's any other indicator you want me to show you how to use it, just type it below the comment section and I'll make a video on that as well. Okay, if you are ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Now this is the MA. So, and this particular indicator only works well on downtrend or the uptrend. Okay, this particular indicator doesn't work for the sideways trend. So, and I'm going to be showing you that if you don't know what sideways trend, uptrend, or downtrend is, and I'm going to be showing, I know there are a lot of newbies who want to capitalize in the crypto market and they don't even know how to go about it. Right, I'm going to be showing this particular indicator on how to use it. Okay, so now this is it. Now this is how to get it used. So now if you are trading spot, you should be focusing more on the uptrend side, but if you are trading futures, you should focus on the both, that is the uptrend and the downtrend. Okay, now this is it. Then this is why I said you can't use this particular trading strategy on sideways trend. So this is what we call sideways trend. Markets that trends in sideways like this, you can see how this market is moving sideways trend. Okay, I'm also attaching a picture showing you sideways trend right there. So this is it. And if you are talking of the uptrend, this is okay. First of all, this is what downtrend means, and you can see that the particular MA tally with the downtrend. Okay, this is what we call downtrend, and you see it right there. So now let's look out for the uptrend, and you see that this particular strategy, this particular MA tallies with the uptrend. So right now you can see the MA tallying with the uptrend right here. You can see it tallying with the uptrend. So the only trend it doesn't tally with is the sideways trend. Okay, so you can't use this particular MA on a sideways trend. So downtrend, you can see it for the downtrend, how it tally. So now I'm going to be showing you how to use it. So if you are trading future, this is what you'll be looking at. If you want to look out for sell opportunity, now you are going to be using this MA, the moving average. So now you wait for it to cross and make sure this particular chart is seen on a downtrend. So right now is a head and shoulder pattern. So let me just get my horizontal line right now. If you look at this right now, this is a particular downtrend form. So whenever a downtrend wants to form, you are going to see a sideways trend forming. So that's when you know that this particular market is about to go down. And you can see right now there was a breakout that occurred below this neckline. So now we are waiting for a retest, and there was a retest right there at the first neckline, but didn't go up to touch this particular one right here. So the main focus was it to touch this particular one, and boom, the market goes down. So how do you use this particular MA now? So now you have seen it. How to know when to use it is when it crosses each other. When it crosses each other and stays at the top. So the yellow one has to be at the under, then the pink one follows before the purple one. Once the purple one crosses, once you see it clearly like this, very straight, then it's time for you to buy or sell that particular market. Don't worry, I'm still going to be showing you for the buy one. So right now, you can sell it now that it has crosses above the candle market, the chart. It has crossed above it, and the chart has to be under it, under the moving average. If the moving average is not at the top of the chart, then it's not perfectly the perfect time for you to enter that particular market. So right now you can see it, and if someone had sold right here in the spot, the futures section, you should be seeing a good number of profits right there. You can see how it goes down below. Now let's look out for it. Like right now you can see the sideways trend that this particular moving average has been in between the chart. So it's not a good time for you to enter unless it's on the downtrend whereby the market has crossed below the moving average and the moving average at the top. That is the best time for you to enter that particular market. Now let's go down to the buy section. So right now this is an uptrend. You can see that it crosses right here. It crosses right here. And you can see that the moving averages are below it. And you can see the yellow is always at the top and the pink one follows. Then the main purple follows. Right now, so look at the cross right here. There must be a cross. So after this downtrend, there was a cross right now. And you can see how the market responded to it, okay? So now it happens to turn back to the downtrend, and same happens right here. So one thing to know when the market is going to change a trend is when it started forming a sideways trend. But in some cases, sideways trend could be a continuation of that trend. But there are kind of sideways trend that shows a continuation of that trend, and that sideways trend happens to be that rectangular pattern, okay? So let me show you something. Okay, looking at this pattern right now, this looks at the rectangle or triangular pattern. So this is a small sideways trend. So, and it happens to be a continuation of the downtrend, okay? So that's why it's seen like this. And right here after it crosses again, and the market had to push down. So all these are continuation. So let me show you the kind of sideways trend that will show you that this particular market is about to change patterns, okay? So these are the kind of sideways trend that shows that it's time for the market to change pattern. Right now you can see that it has been on, okay, this has been on a uptrend, a small uptrend. Right now you can see a very big pattern right here, sideways trend that doesn't even have any perfect shape at all, and it's very big. And that's when you know that it's about to change pattern. And once you see this particular pattern, this kind of sideways trend, get prepared for a huge drop in the market. And that's where this particular strategy comes in. I can see it crossing each other. Remember, the purple one must be at the top, while the pink one be below the purple and yellow below. So that's how it's done. You can see it for yourself on this particular chart right now. And that's how to capitalize the crypto market using the indicator MA, the moving average. So just so you know, there are so many indicators right there, because they're right here using the abbreviation. So the MA is moving average. Right here you see bull, this Bollinger Band. Though I don't know all of them, but I'm going to be telling you guys others. If there's any moving average you want me to show you, and I'll still going to show you. And the Bollinger Band, I'm going to be showing you how to use that Bollinger Band to capitalize on trading. Every indicator has a particular strategy it suits. You don't use every indicator for every strategy. Like now you want to trade on sideways trend. Like now showing you the MA, that's the moving average, it suits best for the downtrend and uptrend. I'm still going to be showing you the only indicator that suits for the sideways trend soon, okay? But for now, this is for the MA, the moving average. All right guys, see you in my next video. Bye.